Welcome to this channel. Previously, we showed you how to solve this equation using the sum and product method, and we also show you how to solve it using the delta formula. Today, we will try to solve this method using what we call completing the square method. So we have this equation, x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. If you put 6 in the left side, we have in the right side, we have x squared minus 5x equal to minus 6. So to complete the perfect square, we need to add a number to both sides of the equation so that the left side become a perfect square trinomial. So that means that we want this side to be a perfect square. In order to do that, you need to add a number to make it perfect square. Of course, when adding a number here, we'll have to add that same number here to conserve the equality. So that number, what is that number? So that number is 5 divided by 2 all squared, or I would say minus 5 divided by 2 all squared. Let's see. So if we add that number into the first the term in the left, and we also add that into the term in the right, what do we get? So here we will notice that this expression gives us x minus 5 divided by 2 all square, and this one will give us minus 6 plus 24 divided by 4, which gives us minus 20. I said 25 divided by 4. So this one will give us minus 24 plus 25 divided by 4, and that will give us 1 divided by 4. So we have this expression now, which is more easier to solve than this one above. So how do we solve this? So this is equivalent, this expression is equivalent to the absolute value of x divided by 2 equal to half. So how do we solve this too? So in order to solve this, we will say x minus 5 divided by 2 will be equal to half, or x minus 5 divided by 2 could be equal to minus half. That gives us what? That gives us x equal to half plus 5 divided by 2, or x equal to minus half plus 5 divided by 2. Or that give us x equal, if we add these two, we have 1 plus 5 divided by 2, that gives us 3. And this one will have minus 1 plus 5, which is 4 divided by 2, that will give us 2. So the solution is 2, 3. And there we have it. That's how we solve this equation using completing the square method. See you in our next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment.